If I show you the results, can you interpret it? You will not go school. I'm asking you now, show me one cancer patient that you know that came and pasted her result on social media for you to be reading to prove that she has cancer. I'm asking you now. One, just one. Because I came out and said, okay, lovers, help me. You will not contribute $1, they shout to me. Shingbai, you not give me. Most of you that are making noise did not bring one kobo. I don't need to come and start showing you receipt or showing you this or showing you that. If you don't want to give, keep your money. I did not put gun on top of your head to give me your $1. You gave it to me out of your own free will and out of love. If you are not led, keep your money in your bank account. It's as simple as ABC. Okay?